Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Judy and I am working on the 19th sketch from 30 Days of Sketches from Chrissy's Beautiful Life in conjunction with Scrap Timber put on by Laura Alberts and the Scrappy Sisters, and their prompt is something old from your stash. Well, that's not hard for me because I have a lot of old stuff I need to use. Because I buy close to my heart stuff and use that. So my stash is something that is not very loved, unfortunately. So I found some of this paper. It looks like this is flags for golf. I don't golf. My husband doesn't golf. My kids don't golf. I don't know anybody who golfs. So I'll probably use these for my back, for white bases. And, oh, where are my photos? All right, I got some photos of my granddaughter playing basketball. They did that this year. She was on a travel league. So I cut them. They fit perfect for these small photos. And this is some old paper. I don't know. It's from Echo Park. And I can't read it. From 2014. So I guess that would qualify as old. So what I did was I just went through my papers to find anything that had to do with basketball. Love this. This is so cool. It is from Ace and More. I have no idea how old it is. It's from Love Nicole, but yeah, it's so textured. And then I brought out my sports binder so I can find some old basketball stuff, I'm sure. So I'll go through that and pull some stuff out. And then I just collected some papers that were on the desk that I thought might go with it. And then I had this holographic paper, and I don't know what kind of a glare you're going to get, but it's so cool. So I want to try and incorporate that in this will be something new, right? And then I also have the copper ore paper. I thought that would be cool. And I found some white photo mats, which are way too big for the small photos. And our brown or mocha glitter paper. And some more miscellaneous cardstock, because I could stamp that. And then some of our new wood paper. I thought this looked like a basketball court color. So, and then the black, because their color for her team was orange and black. So, not only does orange go with the basketballs, but it goes with her color too. So, that's what I have to work with. And let's see what else I have here. We'll have an element here. Instead of a unicorn, I'll probably have the basketball. And I can do some stamping. Oh, I pulled out some stamps. Where did I put them? Okay, these are the stamp sets. This is an old one. I don't know from what year. They don't put years on them. But it's a basketball one. And then this one is a basketball one that it's more current. So those are the stamps I can use. And I will probably stamp some things on the background. I'm not quite sure. So let me think about it and we'll see what I come up with in a minute. This is what I have so far, and I cut this was, I believe, 6 inches by 10 and 3 inches by 10. So that gives me enough of a border here and here like the sketch has, with it overlapping the top and the bottom. I doubled a photo or a piece of paper that had basketballs on it down here, so that looks kind of cool. I didn't want it to be so pronounced. I could ink it and make it more pronounced, but I like it more subtle, so I left it that way. The photos are matted on black, and I will probably add ink to the edge because it has white core, and giving it a black edge really makes it crisper. This was in my sports binder, so I think it was just a circle, and it has basketball cut out there. They're glued on the glitter paper. I think I'm going to have to add some glue to it because you can see that one's not stuck, but that's all right. I can do that. Glitter paper, I did a scallop punch. This was an old, close to my heart one. Yeah, I think it was close to my heart. I'm not sure. Nope, it's a Stampin' Up one. Oh my God, that is really old then. 20 years probably. Well, that's something old as well. I had this tag was in my sports binder, so I pulled that out because it matches this paper. And this was a picture my life card, and I just fussy cut him out. And I like how he's going to make a basket, right? So that was from a Jolie's sticker pack, and I'm sure this is really old as well. I don't know if they have dates on them or not, but yeah, I use a lot of old stuff on this one. Good, good, good. 2014. Okay, so that was old. I could put the shoes or something else on here, but I kind of like it just like this, and I'll have my journaling, and it'll be done. And I really like it. I like the wood background especially, so I'll get it glued down, and then if I don't have anything else to add, I'll just have still photos. So short video, great page, done, bing bing, right? Okay, take care. Thanks for watching. Make sure you look at the in the video description are the links to all the people that are following with this sketch series, so please take a look and see if there's anybody you want to watch and maybe follow. There's a lot of great inspiration. Okay, take care. Have a wonderful day.